So watch this activity attentively to see one of the qualities of leadership, that is solving the problem.
Is happening to me. My legs and the body are not supporting me. I have grown so old that I cannot even walk properly. I think the end of my day is near. Call my children, I need them.
I will call them. All are serious. Please go and meet him. He is calling you all. Wait, we will come afterwards. No, this is my laddu. No, this is my laddu. No, this is my laddu. I made this laddu. So what? But idea was mine. Sorry, sir. They are not coming. They are fighting for a piece of laddu.
I have nothing much, such as property. Go and tell them that I want to divide my property, my precious 17 camels among them.
Okay, sir. Once again, I will go and tell them. Your father is calling you very urgently. He wants to divide property. Property? That's good. Let's all stop fighting and meet our father.
My dear children, I don't know how long I live, but before going, I want to divide my property of 17 camels among you. On the will.
Where is the last will? Don't worry. Here is the will your father gave. Give me. I will read. But I don't know how to read. Give me. I will try to read. Not even a single word I understand. I will help you. In this will it is written, I am dividing my property of 17 camels among my children. My elder son will get half of 17 camels. The middle will get 1/3 of 17 camels. And my daughter will get 1/9 of 17 camels. What kind of will is this? Friends, can you tell me what is the half of 17 camels and what could be 1/3 of 17 camels? This is nonsense. Nobody is there to give solution. It's a big confusion how to divide it. I am under. I should get more. No, I should get more. No, I should get more. Stop fighting. I have a plan. We have a leader. Let's go and meet her. She can help us. Why are you all disturbed? What is your problem? You can share with me. We are not able to divide the property of 17 camels among us. Please help us. We are in trouble. We are confused what to do. This is very easy. You said you had 17 camels and 2 with. I am adding one of my camels to your 17. Now can you all tell me how many camels are there? 17 plus 1. No, there are 18 camels. That's great. Now let's say it will. Accordingly, elder son, how much you supposed to get? I am supposed to get half of 17 camels. Okay then. After adding one of my camels to your 17, what is half of 18 camels? It is 9. So you will get 9 camels. So how much you supposed to get, younger son? I am supposed to get 1/3 of 17 camels. Okay then. after adding one of my camel to a 17, what is 1/3 of 18 camels?
It is 6.
So you will get 6 camels. So can you read your will, daughter?
I am supposed to get 1/9 of 17 camels.
Okay then. After adding one of my camel to your 17, what is 1/9 of 18 camels?
It is 2.
So you may get 2 camels. So can you all tell me what is the sum of 9 plus 6 plus 2?
It is 17.
So in the beginning you had 17 camels. The camel which I have added at the first, I am taking it back. Your problem is solved. Have a good day to you.
Dear friends, the message from the story is very simple. How much big the problem is, but when we are aware, we can solve any problem. And it is the quality of a leader to have a presence of mind and think about different ways of ideas or solving problems. And here some of the qualities of leadership. L stands for loyalty. E stands for executing. A stands for availability. D stands for determination. E stands for energy. R stands for respect. S stands for selflessness. H stands for helpful and humble. I stands for innovation. T stands for pride in work. Thank you.
Thank you and thanks to our dear Father Balkumar, the principal, for giving us this opportunity to show how important it is to possess the qualities of a good leader. Thank you.
Good morning to all. We sincerely appreciate the students of 4th session and also the class teacher